Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to add an operation on the Theatre app. The addition of an operation on the Theatre app enables practitioners to book an operation directly from a theatre list while on the move, using a mobile device. Practitioners can easily update operation details if any changes occur, all without the necessity of signing into the web app. Please note that in order to add an operation, a theatre list will first need to be created. For more information on how to create a theatre list on the Theatre app, please refer to the Theatre app and Theatre list user manual, linked in this video's description. In this video, you may start on the home screen of your preferred internet browser. For this example, we will be using Google Chrome. Navigate to the GoodX Theatre app website by tapping the /app/GoodX Theatre at the end of the GoodX web URL and press the Enter key on your keyboard. The GoodX Theatre screen will open. All theatre lists that have been created will appear on the GoodX Theatre screen. Depending on the device you are utilizing, you will either tap or click on a screen to perform actions. For the purpose of this video, we will be using the tap action. Tap on the Add an Operation button corresponding to the desired theatre list. The Add an Operation screen will open. Please note that all fields that are marked with an asterisk symbol are mandatory fields which need to be completed in order to save the operation details. Tap on a Procedure Description field to enter the desired information. Tap on the Operation Start Time field to enter the desired time that the operation will begin. Please note that the time that appears in the Operation Start Time field by default is the first available time the operation can be scheduled. Tap on the Operation Duration field to enter the desired number of minutes for the operation. To select the anesthetic type, tap on the Anesthetic Type drop-down menu and select the applicable option. Complete the ICD-10, Procedure and CPT-4 codes by tapping on and completing each corresponding field. Tap on a CPT-4 code field to enter the desired CPT-4 code. Enter an authorization number by tapping on the authorization field. Tap on a copayment field to enter a rand value that will need to be paid as a copayment if applicable. Tap on the additional requirements field to add any additional information regarding the procedure. For any additional admin or clinical notes, tap in a corresponding field and type the relevant information. Tap on the data field to search for and select the desired data. Please note the data that appear on the list are data who have already been created on the web app. Data that have not been created will first need to be created before they can be linked to an operation. Tap on a Save Operation button to save all the information added to the operation. A notification will appear to advise the practitioner that the operation has successfully been created. Tap on a Theatre Booking drop-down menu to see the details of the booking. The basic details of the operation that have been booked will appear on the diary screen.